Java is everywhere: desktops, servers, mobile phones, tablets, Blu-ray players, televisions, web browsers, and mobile apps. Whether as a first language, or to broaden your programming skills, Java will bring you a lot, and will be a significant asset to your career. By choosing Java in this era, a developer ensures a full career in the IT industry. We have an uninterrupted structured, 64-hour Java course, where you will upskill yourself. Choose between in-person classroom training and online sessions as per your convenience. Get mentored by professionals. Grab global placement opportunities in hand. Get internationally recognized certificate. What are you waiting for? Join Livewire, creating experts in IT, electronics and electricals, automation niche.